cushion is my favorite game. In the one cushion game, the cue ball has to hit each time at least one cushion before touching the third ball. In the one cushion game, the most important thing is to hold the balls as close as possible to the corners or very close to the short cushion. So when possible, like on this position, I hit the red ball and I try to push the yellow ball in the direction of the corner and put the balls together in the corner. In one cushion, many times you get many problems like this. The balls are together, but sometimes very difficult. And many times in this game, you have to play a draw shot and bring the second ball on a long distance. So it's very difficult to control the second ball precisely. Then you have to try not to take too many risks to get a very difficult position. I try always to get one ball short on the short cushion and take a position on the other ball. And many times also you have to move the third ball and to touch it on the right side. One cushion game is a game with many problems, but all the problems can be solved. The bank shots in one cushion are very important by one or two cushions. Also the touch on the third ball is important. Now I try again to push the two balls in the direction of the corner. When possible, take a position. And when the position is good, it's possible to bring the second ball back into the corner. Now I play this small bank shot with reverse spin. Hit the yellow ball half ball to take it out of the cushion and take a position on the red ball. And this one I try to hit the yellow ball a little on the back side, so I hold the two balls in the direction of the corner. This massé shot I hit a little harder, so I can open the position to be sure not to have a very big problem after this. In one cushion there are not so many small points. Many times it's only positioning on the second ball till the moment the balls are very close together. Now on this ball I hit the yellow and I try to hold it along the short cushion. Try to take position on the red ball. And now I try to move the yellow ball also in the direction of this corner. Many problems like this in one cushion. It's a game where you have to take many risks to hold the balls together. Bank shot by one cushion. I hold the red ball against the short cushion if possible. Take position on the yellow ball, and I take the yellow ball back into the corner. And I try to not to give too much speed, so that the red ball is staying in the corner. Now from this position I will try to make a few small points and then push the red ball a little and take the position on the red ball. And this point is important now, to touch the yellow ball completely full if possible and push it a little in the direction of the small cushion. As long as I have the two balls in the direction of the small cushion, I will not have many problems. My teacher told me always that in one cushion it's important to play very good the bank shots and the shots that you have to play thin and control the speed of the first ball and of the second ball. No, I don't take the red ball back. I try to hold it close to the long cushion. And again now, so I can hold a position on the red ball. I try on this ball to bring the red ball back and stay close to the yellow ball. If possible, put the red ball close to the short cushion. I have the possibility now to play one cushion from the red ball. And again, the possibility from the red ball. Again, I try to take the position on the yellow ball. So now it's possible to play from the yellow. So I take it back into the corner. And I try to stay very close to the red ball. I get a very good position for one cushion. In this position, I try to make as many points as possible before taking the position. But I have to be sure to get a very good position on the red ball, so a few small points. And when you feel that it's going too far away, push a little further and take a sure position. Now I hit the red ball and I touch the yellow on the backside to have the position in the direction of the corner. Now I missed the position on the yellow and I have to play a bank shot, 2 cushion in the corner probably. And again I will take the position on the red ball to take it back on the long distance. And try to push the yellow ball into the opposite corner. On this one I have only one chance. I have to touch the red ball a little on the right side. So I have a position and I can take now the red ball back into the corner. Small masse into the cushion. Slowly. Bank shot. Push the red ball a little in the direction of the short cushion. Try to take position on the yellow ball, but still the chance to play from the red ball. And now I must be sure to touch the yellow ball full, so I'm sure of the position. And now I have the choice to play from yellow left side or right side. Draw shot by one cushion, a little too hard. Still the chance to play by one cushion with left hand. Try to take position. I don't have it, and now I cannot play from the red ball, so I have to play from the yellow. I try to hold the yellow ball close to the short cushion. This is getting very difficult now, so I push the red ball in the direction of the long cushion and I hope to get a position directly on the red ball. And so I can play red, bring the red ball in the direction of the short cushion. One cushion, try to hit the yellow full, half position, leave the red ball against the cushion. And on this I try to stay close to the red ball. So I'm sure I don't get a very difficult position. No, the red ball was a little too slow. On this I will try now to keep the yellow ball in the direction of the short cushion. By a small piquet. And again the possibility to play one cushion from the yellow ball and take position on the red ball. So I missed the position, but still I have the chance to play from the yellow ball. And I try the same position on the red ball. Too thin, red ball. Now very thin from the red ball. Hold it on its place. Hope to get position. Or one cushion from the yellow. And again try to take position on the red ball. And by one cushion, bring the red ball into the corner, try to push the yellow ball in the corner, but I touch the yellow ball not completely full, so I have to play again from red ball. Stay close to the yellow ball. Now my ball is too close to the cushion. The two balls are going into the middle. So I have to pass now between the balls. And try to get the position again in the direction of the short cushion. Yellow into the corner. By one cushion from the yellow, try to take position on the red ball. Now again I try to hit the red ball, bring it into the corner, touch the yellow on the backside, so I have the two balls in the direction of the corner. Now I take the position on the red ball. I leave some space between the yellow ball and the cushion, so I can put the cue ball now. I try to bring the red ball on the white ball. Just a little too hard, but still good position. On this position I have to hit the yellow ball very full to bring it back in the direction of the corner. So I hit directly, draw to the short cushion. And this kind of positions happens very often in one cushion. Play the ball is coming back on a long distance and giving a very difficult position, and also the ball is frozen. So bank shot from the backside. Red ball is touched on the wrong way. Try again from the yellow ball to take position on the red ball. Now it's better. I can draw directly to the long cushion, and red ball is coming back by 2 cushion. This is a very difficult position. I must play masse in the cushion. That was a little difficult, so I play a little harder. And I get also a difficult position again. I have to play a bank shot, but I have a big chance to make it. If I miss the yellow, I can make it also from the red ball. That's why also I play a little harder this. And like very often in one cushion, take position on the red ball, leaving the yellow on the short cushion. So this is now very dangerous because I cannot go in the direction of the corner. I have to bring the red ball in the middle. So I try to stay close to the yellow ball. Very difficult. Now I play bank shot, reverse spin. I make it very thin. Push the yellow direction of the corner, position on the red ball. Always the same system, the same way of playing. Now on this one I will open the position, so I'm sure I have something to play after. And one cushion position on the red ball. And by the position of the white ball and of the yellow ball, I'm sure the yellow is not coming between. And I get very perfect position for one cushion. From this I can try to play some small points before taking a position. Now I feel the position is getting lost, so I take directly position on the yellow ball and I take it back into the corner. And again try to take position on the red ball. Or maybe the yellow ball, we will see. Now I have to play from the red ball. And again I try to push the yellow ball into the opposite corner. Now I have to play from the red ball, try to touch the yellow in the direction of the corner, but I missed this. One small point and position on the red ball. And now I must concentrate on the touch of the yellow ball. I must be very full on the third ball to push in the direction of the small cushion. So now a few small points till I have the position to pass between the balls and push the position again in the direction of the short cushion. Push the yellow position on the red ball. On this I touch the yellow ball on the right side, so I have the position in the direction of the corner. I get a difficult position. I will try to make it with a kiss. Yellow is pushing red ball the direction on the long cushion, and I make the point there. On this I hope I will be lucky because the red ball is coming between the two balls. Just far enough to give me a chance to make it now. Otherwise I get a very difficult position. Not so many possibilities on this. I must play from the yellow. Two cushion, and again I don't get the position on the red ball, so I have to play yellow again.